Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video from me. This is my first time installing a frontal wig and I just wanted to show you guys. I don't know if I would include the video of where I installed the wig in the video of the protective style. I don't know, because I think the video will be too long if I do that. But if it will be too long, then I'll have a part 1 and part 2 of the protective style. But if it won't, include everything in one video. So this is the wig I'll be wearing. It's a frontal wig. I've had it for 3 years now and it's still good. The reason for the blunt end is it's a long wig, so I had to cut it. And aside that, when flat ironing, my flat iron was too hot, so it kind of made it like that. Another challenge I will have while installing this wig is I don't have a hot comb, and what I really want to do requires a hot comb, so how that would work, I don't know. I struggled to install this, guys. I really struggled to install this, and so I'm hoping that I did a good job. And it's self-explanatory actually. I would let you watch by yourself. That I wouldn't talk so much in this video, so yes. waiting for my baby hair to dry. So before I take this band out, I use the got to be glue. So I want to hold down the glue so that it can get dry. So because I don't have flat comb or hot comb, so there is no way I can lay this place to be flat. And the idea that came to my mind is to use a scarf to hold it down for the part to become very visible. So that's what I'll be doing. I'll just tie my hair down with a small scarf and let it sit there for a while. Hopefully it would get flat, and that way I can make up for the hot comb that I don't have. I've never laid a frontal hair on my head before. I've had it for years, but I just always wear it like that. I've never done the whole baby hair thing. This will be the first time. So please pardon me. It's not like I'm following any procedure. I'm just basically using idea. And hopefully this brilliant genius idea that I have would come out nice. Yes. Let's keep our finger crossed. I'm inside the kitchen, so what is taking me? So I'll come back to show you guys when I take this off. It may be tomorrow before I remember to come back to show you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Turn on your notification button, post. Hi guys, so this is the next day. I just got back from work and I thought to do this video. So remember I said that I was going to come back to show you guys how I laid the wig and if the wig eventually stayed. So this is how the hair looks. Don't worry, I just got back from work, that's why. So my hair, it don't move. Just look at the glue works. See? It's going to take about a week before this hair leaves. Just look at this. Oh god. I laid the life out of this hair. Just look at the baby hair. Okay. So that's the end of the video. I just wanted to show you guys if the hair eventually stayed and how the hair looks like, and my simple procedure of tying a scarf because I don't have the hot comb. It's worked, and yeah, just look at it. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Thank you, bye. And if you would like to see a video of me making my wigs and how I make my wigs, do leave a comment in the comment section and I'll consider doing a video. Alrighty, bye for now. See you in the next video. God bless you.